Hey everyone, and welcome to our super smart adventure. Did you know that every time you go to school or sit down to study, you're like a superhero getting ready for a mission? And just like a superhero, you need the right tools. Today we're going to explore 30 amazing school supplies that help us learn, create and discover new things. Are you ready for some learning fun? Let's go. Meet the study super tools. 1. The backpack. First up, the mighty backpack. A backpack is like your personal adventure bag. It helps you carry all of your books and supplies on your back, which makes them feel lighter and easier to carry. 2. The notebook. Check out the incredible notebook. A notebook is where all of your ideas, notes and drawings live. Every time you open it, it's a new adventure for your brain. 3. The pencil. This is the classic pencil. Pencils are great for writing and drawing. Did you know that the lead in a pencil isn't actually lead? It's a special material called graphite, which is a kind of carbon. 4. The pen. Say hello to the smooth pen. A pen uses ink to make a bold, permanent mark. They come in so many different colors, so you can write and draw in a fun, colorful way. 5. The eraser. Look at the magical eraser. An eraser is a special tool that can make a pencil's mark disappear. The very first erasers were actually pieces of bread that people used to rub out their mistakes. 6. The ruler. Meet the straight ruler. A ruler is a tool that helps you draw perfectly straight lines and measure how long things are. It's a key tool for math and art. 7. The crayons. Check out the colorful crayons. Crayons are sticks of colored wax that you can use to draw and color in books. You can make your own masterpieces with them. 8. The markers. This is the bright markers. Markers use ink to make bold, bright colors. They are perfect for big drawings and signs because their color really pops. 9. The glue stick. Say hello to the sticky glue stick. A glue stick is a super helpful tool for arts and crafts. It has a special glue that is easy to use and dries fast. 10. The scissors. Look at the sharp scissors. Scissors are a tool that helps you cut paper and other materials into different shapes. You have to be careful when using them. 11. The pencil sharpener. Meet the pointy pencil sharpener. A pencil sharpener is a little tool that shaves away the wood of a pencil to make the graphite tip pointy and ready to write. 12. The calculator. This is the smart calculator. A calculator is an electronic tool that can help you do math problems quickly and easily. It's like having a math wizard in your hand. 13. The binder. Check out the big binder. A binder is a big book with metal rings inside. It helps you keep all of your different papers and assignments organized in one place. 14. The folders. Look at the handy folders. Folders are a simple way to keep your papers neat and tidy. You can use different colored folders for different subjects. 15. The index cards. Say hello to the smart index cards. Index cards are small, stiff cards that are great for writing down important facts or vocabulary words. You can use them to study for a test. 16. The highlighters. Meet the glowing highlighters. Highlighters are pens that use a bright see-through color. You can use them to color over important words in a book, so they really stand out. 17. The stapler. This is the clicky stapler. A stapler is a tool that uses a small metal staple to hold a bunch of papers together so they don't get lost. 18. The paper. Check out the blank paper. Paper is a very special tool because it can be anything you want it to be. You can write, draw or create with it. 19. The compass. Look at the circle compass. A compass is a special tool for math and geometry. It helps you draw perfectly round circles. 20. The protractor. Say hello to the angle protractor. A protractor is a tool shaped like half a circle that helps you measure angles. It's very useful for geometry. 21. The globe. Meet the spinning globe. A globe is a round model of the Earth. It spins on a tilted axis, just like our real planet, and helps you learn about all the countries in the world. 22. The atlas. This is the big atlas. An atlas is a book full of maps. You can use it to learn about all the different cities, states, and countries on Earth. 23. The dictionary. Check out the Wordy Dictionary. A dictionary is a book that tells you what words mean. It's a great tool for learning new words and becoming a better reader. 24. The library card. Look at the magical library card. A library card is like a key that lets you borrow and read all the books at your local library for free. 25. The flashcards. Say hello to the quick flashcards. Flashcards are a great way to study and memorize facts. You can put a question on one side and the answer on the other. 26. The whiteboard. Meet the erasing whiteboard. A whiteboard is a reusable board that you can write on with special markers. When you're done, you can just wipe it clean and start all over. 27. The dry erase markers. These are the colorful dry erase markers. Dry erase markers are pens that you use to write on a whiteboard. Their ink wipes away easily with an eraser. 28. The laptop or tablet. Check out the digital laptop or tablet. These are special computers that can help you with schoolwork. You can read, write, draw, research anything you want on them. 29. The headphones. Look at the sound-blocking headphones. Headphones are a great tool for studying. They let you listen to music or educational videos without being distracted by other noises. 30. The lunchbox. Finally meet the yummy lunchbox. A lunchbox is a special container that holds your food and keeps it fresh until lunchtime. It's a very important part of a school day. See you next time, explorers. Wow, what an amazing collection of tools. We saw so many incredible school supplies, from backpacks to crayons. Each one helps you on your learning journey to become smart, creative, and curious. What was your favorite school supply to learn about? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Bye.